everybody, my name is Chris Geiser. My daughter and I just formed a new company called h.c.pax. It's a backpack company. Now before I invented the Pasha, which is a Pasha cushion, and now we're doing backpacks. So this is our first sample from the backpack factory, and I'm kind of disappointed because they didn't do exactly what I wanted. Alright, this is the grand opening of our first sample from the backpack factory. Now I got a patent for the backpack straps, and because everybody asked me, oh, what's so special about your backpack, is that the backpack factory wasn't able to do it correctly because they have never seen anything like this before. And because I also invented the Pasha cushion, this backpack will be something you've never seen. Although this sample's kind of messed up, so bear with us. Stop. Ready? Go. All right, so here it is, h.c.pax, your first posture backpack. All right, here it is. Now, these straps are not supposed to be here, and it's only supposed to be these straps, but they put these not where they're supposed to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut these straps off, and we're going to put these straps up higher where they're supposed to go. But as you can see, the back is normal, the side's normal. How you like that logo, huh?
I love it.
And this logo is actually one of Haven's drawings she used to do when she was a little baby. So we took that drawing and we made it into our logo, h.c.pax. H for Haven, C for Chris, and Pax demonstrates what the straps are supposed to look like. All right, stop. All right, so here's an extra, another design I have for the center. Not too happy with it. Kind of happy with it, but here we go. Here we are. We're going to destroy it. Are you ready for me to fix it? Here we go. Chop, chop, chop.
Chop, chop. Hurry up.
One done.
Oh, he did it.
I did it.
He did the imaginable. Unimaginable.
We're taking lemons and making lemonade.
That's not good.
All right, they're gone, so we're halfway there. Now we need to sew them on where they're supposed to go.
Don't you want to
so
cut
we
the
get
bottom
to see
half of it?
We get to see the difference between using something like this and this over to the side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it up here where it's supposed to go so we can compare it.
Put what up where?
Right, cut it. So the strap looks pretty good. But yeah, don't move, don't move. So for the strap, you can adjust it on the side here so that angle doesn't really matter. This is how it should look, where it attaches there in the center. You got the Velcro to hold it, and then the buckle. And over here, Haven says it needs some padding here, like the padding in the shoulder strap should be down here as well. So that's what it should look like.